Hello everyone, it's my great honor to share our report here. Our topic is the effect of education level on unemployment rate in Malaysia, and we are Group A6. Our team members are Li Changchun, Yuan Xiangzhou, Wang Yizhen, Du Jingzi, Ma Jiayu, Feng Xuanxuan. Research on the dynamics of education and unemployment in Malaysia has revealed a key link between the level of higher education and the lower unemployment rate due to the improved skills. The study takes the total unemployment rate as a dependent variable and the education level as an independent variable, and the human capable theory, single theory, and the skills matching theory as a theoretical basis, and puts forward the key issues as the impact of education level on unemployment, the impact of education quality, and the countermeasure in the context of globalization. The results of this study play a key role in understanding the relationship between education and the job market, evaluating the outcomes of the education policies, improve the adaptability of the global market, reduce the skill mismatch, and promoting economic growth.
In today's rapidly developing global economy, education is not only the cornerstone of personal development, but also the driving force of national progress. For a diversified and rapidly growing country such as Malaysia, education plays a crucial role in shaping its economic and social structure. Malaysia's education system has undergone a transformation from traditional to modern, which not only reflects the country's rapid development, but also reflects the unremitting pursuit of education for all. From relying on agricultural and natural resources to transforming into an economy dominated by manufacturing and resources industries, Malaysia has demonstrated its economic flexibility and adaptability. In the process of studying educational investment and economic growth, we find that education has an important impact on Malaysia's economic growth and job market. In particular, educational investment plays a key role in improving the quality of human capital, increasing productivity and innovation capacity. However, the relationship between education and job market is not always direct and linear. The improvement of education level doesn't always directly lead to the reduction of unemployment rate, which reflects the possible mismatch between education and labor market demand.
Next, I will be presenting a study on the relationship between educational levels and unemployment rate in Malaysia using data from 2008 to 2016. Our research investigates how unemployment rates differ across primary, secondary, and tertiary educational levels and their impact on the overall unemployment rates. We sourced all data from the World Bank and CEIC databases, encompassing the annual unemployment rates at those educational levels alongside the total unemployment rates for each year in Malaysia. By analyzing data from 2008 to 2016, we aimed to understand the trends and implications of education on unemployment. In this study, we define educational level as the highest level of education completed by an individual. The unemployment rate is the population of unemployed individuals in the labor force. We focus is to examine how varying educational achievements influence unemployment trends and draw conclusions relevant to Malaysia's socio-economic context.
Next, I will discuss our use of multivariate regression analysis to explore the relationship between educational levels and unemployment rates. The model analysis with SPSS software reveals a statistically effective explanation of overall unemployment rate variation. The R-squared is 0.981. Primary and secondary education significantly impact the overall unemployment rate, while advanced education does not. Texts for multicollinearity and residual normality confirm the analysis accuracy. No survey multicollinearity and residuals are close to a normal distribution without outliers. In conclusion, our study identifies a crucial link between educational levels and unemployment rates, informing effective education and employment policy formulation to enhance the labor market.
Hello, Professor. I'm Du Jingzi. I have conducted the qualitative analysis and robust testing of the data based on the statistics on education and unemployment rate in Malaysia from 2008 to 2016. This paper constructs a model and examines the impact of the unemployment rate and further examines the impact of education employment on the unemployment rate in Malaysia. From mathematical regression analysis, we can conclude that the square of R is 0.981, which can equivalently explain the total unemployment rate. All independent variables are less than 5, and there is no problem. From this, we can see that the unemployment rate of those with basic and secondary education has a significant impact on the overall unemployment rate, indicating that the basic or under-secondary education population occupies an important position in the labor market, and their employment status have a greater impact on the overall employment market. Conversely, the impact of the higher education and employment rate on the overall unemployment rate is not significant, reflecting that the higher education population is more stable in the labor market, or that they account for a relatively small population of the labor market and therefore has less impact on the overall unemployment rate.
Studying the impact of improving education levels on unemployment rate is of great significance to the formulation of education and employment policies. When people with basic education and secondary education have a significant impact on the unemployment rate, in order to strengthen the national employment rate, it may be necessary to strengthen employment support and training for people with basic and secondary education. At the same time, we must also consider how to better integrate higher education and labor, align with market demand. Also consider specific features of the labor market structure, such as the demand for different levels of education, the degree of skill matching, and employment opportunities in different industries and sectors of the economy. It is recommended that future studies add data points and enrich the understanding of the relationship between education level and employment through qualitative research methods such as interviews or case studies.